Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Keap. The first thing I'm going to review are pricing plans, and then I'm going to talk about the features, like what they actually offer. So let's start. When it comes to the pricing plans, I really like they have also the light version, and for the first 3 months you're gonna pay $56 a month, then $79. Pro version is a little bit expensive, and max is $140, then $200. It really depends like which one you actually need. But you can even start with a light version and then just upgrade, and all plans include CRM, payments, unlimited email, sales and marketing and automation, lead capture, data migration support, email marketing, mobile application, top rated support. So Keap is really great, but at the start it would take a little bit of time to just optimize everything and understand the whole process and how your business works. So I would recommend using Keap. It's, in my opinion, better than Zoho. It's more complex, but to understand it, how to use it, will take you a little bit of time, like the learning curve is higher. You can simply automate your sales and marketing with CRM automations. And why is Keap really amazing? Let me use the paint. First, let's say that you are going to get an order. Then that order will be as a client in your CRM in Keap. Then what will happen is that when you get an order, you will have client CRM. You will create automation with your email to send them email, and you will have free automations for every single client which is going to create an order. Like you can send them also, how would I call it, opportunity to buy a different product. When you have automation, then what is going to happen? You can connect it. They have also the payment processing here. Let me show you. The job is going to time to get paid, accept credit cards and invoices, and track who is paid in the app with the CRM and invoicing. So what would happen would be that you would create directly invoice for the new client who got a new order, and voila, you got perfectly fine process, and you don't have to employ 2 people to do all of this, because you can automate the whole process with Keap. And this is the most important thing that you can do. So just keep in mind that Keap is amazing for these kind of processes. And this is one of the processes I presented you what you can actually do. But it's much more, right? You got like the CRM, as I mentioned, with the contacts and everything. Then you get like with quotes, new clients, appointments, quotes, work in progress, invoice paid. And they can also pay through the Keap, so that's really great. You got also got the leads for the website. You can see the demo here. And then you can get paid by WePay, Stripe. So that's really great. And then you get like analytics of the money. And you can also see the really great dashboard and reports. But yeah, I mean, Keap is amazing. Just you need to keep in mind the learning curve is a little bit higher. The customer support is great. And with the sales pipeline, payments, reporting, analytics, you can have literally everything, right? So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'm really happy to help you. I recommend choosing it, testing it out. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.